गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर के प्राइसेस आज भी अंडर प्रेशर रहे हैं क्योंकि कुछ एनालिस्ट के मुताबिक आने वाले टाइम में प्राइसेस में वॉलेटिलिटी देखने को मिल सकती है क्योंकि यूएस ईरान का वॉर दोबारा से एस्केलेट हो गया है। मार्केट पार्टिसिपेंट्स दे आर नाउ अवेटिंग की यूएस इन्फ्लेशन डेटा और फेड रिजर्व की टेस्टिमनी so which could decide on the direction to the precious metals. On the MCX, gold August futures were trading at 1,41,915, which is down around 1,500 rupees or 1% for the day. During the session, the contract slipped to an intraday low of 1,41,557, making a fall of 1,900 or around 1.34%. From the previous closing level, which was 1,43,478. Silver की भी बात करें तो Silver September futures were quoted at 2,17,550 per kg, which is down almost 2.30%. Contract hit an intraday low of rupees 2,17,277, reflecting a decline of around 5,300 from the previous close of 2,22,664. दोनों ही प्रेशियस मेटल्स में 52 वीक हाई से शार्प करेक्शन आया है। जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी बात करी थी, दिस डिक्लाइन हैज कम ड्यू टू द जियोपॉलिटिकल अनसर्टेनिटी, stronger US Treasury yields, and a resilient dollar, which have reduced the appeal of non-yielding assets such as gold and silver. Now, according to the analyst, what they are saying, gold and silver remain highly volatile as investors continue to access developments in the Middle East. Gold and silver prices show very high volatility and slipped from their highs amid the escalation of the US-Iran tensions. The dollar index is also trading steady above the 100 mark, and US bond yields are showing strength, limiting gains in gold and silver. Now, they are also saying that the minutes of the latest Fed meeting were less hawkish than expected and provided some support to bullion prices. Concerns over inflation arising from geopolitical tensions have capped further gains. So now investors are closely awaiting upcoming US inflation data and Fed Reserve testimony, which could determine the next direction for the precious metals. So what experts are recommending for the long-term investors? That they should use the decline as an opportunity to build positions gradually. So long-term investors could accumulate gold and silver in a staggered manner during this market fall, but traders should wait for some stability before taking fresh positions. Analysts also expect bullion prices to remain sensitive to geopolitical developments, US macroeconomic data, and expectations regarding the Federal Reserve's interest rate path in the coming sessions.